on, guys? ℎ𝕗𝐻 here. We are headed into Staples to do some retail arbitrage and see how their prices are, where their clearance and blowout section is, and head straight there. So here we go. We got some clearance items at Staples. Usually you can find some hot gems in here that will sell extremely well on Amazon. Look over all the items, especially the products that are priced really low. Something like this for $1.57 may have some good margin. All right, guys, so that first clearance shelf didn't have anything, and I was able to scan about 10 different items, 10 to 15 different items on there, so nothing at all. Another good place to look in Staples is their as seen on TV section. So we'll head over there right now and see if there's any other good gems in that section that sell for profit on Amazon. For the most part, if you go up and down the aisles in here, you're looking for big ticket items. Again, products that sell between $30 and $100. Scan those, especially if they're on deep discount store, because that's where they keep the more expensive items, and the electronics aisle, because that's where they keep, again, more of the expensive items. Guys, as seen on TV, there it is. We want to go and check that section and see what sells for really good on. This is your as seen on TV section. Here you want to look for stuff that's on clearance or scan stuff, and you never know, some of this stuff may sell for more than what it sells for in the store. It may sell for more on Amazon. If you want to get into the laptop game, Staples is always clearing out laptops for a decent price. Sometimes you can find really good blowout prices. You just gotta look. Is chair days, where they sell things for 50% off, half price, from May 16th to June 5th. You can get 50% off chairs, Lazy Boy, Staples brand, that are big ticket items that you could sell on Amazon. Staples is there's multiple clearance sections with multiple big ticket items. If you keep looking, you should be able to find some really good deals and actually make some really good profit on low ranked product. Unfortunately, we didn't hit any good deals at Staples today because there wasn't any really good clearance products on. Although they do have a sale going on for 50% off, we should still be able to find something here that we can turn for a profit on Amazon. The key is to look up and down the aisles because you still have sale prices that you can find. You'll still find clearance products in the aisles, and scan them because they may sell for a profit. So it looked like I was able to come up with this one deal, a VTech phone 2-handset connect to sell style phone. They're clearing out for $30 and they sell for $120 on Amazon.